Good evening, everyone. I just come back from Iloilo, Guimaras. I'm here now in Manila. I check in here and go hotel. So this morning, I fixed my bed. I'm going to have a breakfast. Going around some part of Manila. This is my bed, my desk, my clothes that I wore yesterday, and there is a shower room. This is the toilet. Looks nice. Shower room. And I'm ready to go down to have some breakfast. This is my luggage. Hello guys! Nandito na po ako ngayon sa bago kong room kasi sa 7th floor na-book na yun po ng ilang araw na bago na pumasok ko rito, na-book na yan kasi hindi agad ako napabook, baka sakali makaalis ako o ano. Ngayon, kagabi, last night, there's no any more room, but this morning I woke up early and then I asked somebody. Luckily there is, but they talked to the manager that I was offered to have this. So I'm lucky. It's Kamsa. It's like this. So I am now in the 8th floor. Look, it's very nice room, and then there's a double bed that separated. Wow. So I hope I will stay here for one day, 2 times, or maybe one if there is something not available. I'm going back to Iloilo again and come back. But anyway, if there's chance not so long time, so I'll stay here. If quite a long time, so few days I will going back to Iloilo and then to rebook my ticket to Switzerland. And then we will manage the travel agency. So now it's really difficult, but anyway, that's life. There's something happiness, there's something like this, so we must accept whatsoever. And looks very nice room. Oh look at that. Look, and me myself, there is a TV, and then yep, there is shower room, toilet. Yeah, it's clean and nice, comfortable, very clean. And this is the bathroom. All right, so see you another time. Hello po, kumusta? Nandito po ako ngayon sa Bacobo Street, corner Pildo Hill, still Jose Maria. This building are really amazing. Robinson Palace. Magandang umaga po. Magkano po yung yung turon niyo po? My favorite ever since. Magkano po? 20. Good morning, sir. Paki dalawa po. Ah. Gagawin ko po tatlo. Kung kasya, 30.
Wala.
Magkano? 30 po?
40 lahat, 40.
Magkano po dito? Dagdagan po ng isa, bigyan ko ng isa, bigyan ko po siya ng isa. Ako mabayad po. Ako po mabayad sa kanya. Ito. Wait lang po. Wait. I'll pay for him.
Tumingin ka sa salamin.
Ay, tingnan mo po kung magkano, kung baka magkasya.
Walang pa dos.
Kulang pa
Ay,
dos.
ano? Kese. 25 yan.
Kulang pa. Ito po. Thank you. Ibigyan mo po ito siya, oh. Bigyan mo po siya isa. Alin gusto mo? Ito o ito? Ayan. Ayan. May kulang pa? Sige po. Ang akin idalhin ko. Thank you. Pupunta na po ako sa Top Avenue. I'm going to Top Avenue. Morning, sir, ma'am. Iba po. It's different kind of tricycle here in Manila, everywhere, even in many parts of the Philippines. Look at that one area of the street. In this area, you can see that. If you want to come here, you can see. Barangay Zone 5 Manila. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Oh, it's amazing city. Wonderful, it's amazing city.
Yes, sir.
Beautiful. I've been here for in the 60s, 70s. I'm already
Where are you from, sir?
Iloilo. I'm already 70 years old.
Visiting Manila.
Yeah, thank you. Because I love very much Manila. All over here from Santa Cruz, Quiapo, up to Baclaran, Banyaki.
Walking here.
And Caloocan also Blumented. I've been around before. So it's really mind-blowing to come back again. Thank you. This is the University of Manila. Yep. In this area, they have a different kind of transport. And, but you know, everywhere, some other have different kind of. I'm going to cross the city. Look at this. Adventurous. That's usually lots of students here are here because many different kinds sorts of life. You know, it's like everywhere. It's busy. Early morning, you look at it.